Okay, here we go. Let me put it in gear. Okay, so we're getting ready to go in the field, and I've got the camera on here. It's not really, it's gonna probably be bumpy, so y'all just have to pretend it's not. Alright, so, alright, hold on one second. Regina's got to get on, and we're going. Alright, here we go. Over there's the farm. They got trail rides today, so we're not going over there. Slow down. I gotta tighten this camera up, so I'm scared it's gonna fall off. Alright. I don't see any cows down here. Over here. Just ran through some. Here's the babies laying down. Can you see them? Make sure, yeah, you can see them right there getting up. All the babies will be gone in another month or so. I want to find my favorite one. Hi, you guys. Oh my God, look at that one right here with the... Oh, they're full of gnats. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's my baby one over here. The white and black one right ahead of us. That's my favorite one. And it is a girl. I was thinking it was a boy, but I think it's a girl. Oh, don't run. That's my favorite one. It is a girl. Okay, so it won't be killed. All the boys will be, I think it's only 2 bulls. It's only 2 bulls in here, in the field here. There's a whole bunch on the other side of the road, but these are all what are these? Angus. These are all Angus, so these are all meat cows. And the females, of course, you keep. The males are taken to slaughter, and that's what we eat, our meat. So anyway, I'm going to ride around the field some more, and I'll talk to you in a minute. No, it's on. Okay, we're back. Alright, you can see the cows back behind me. I think they're all back there. I wanted to do this video to talk to y'all a few minutes. I wanted to ride a four-wheeler and talk to y'all too, but I've been having some problems this summer. I've had strep throat, and my youngest daughter was living with me and my two grandchildren, and they moved out, so I've had a lot of stress, and my sugar has gone up. My A1C when I went the other day was 11.0. So I'm going back on keto. I've already gone back on keto. I went back on keto the other day, and I've been eating strictly keto, but my blood sugar's not going down. It's the lowest that I've gotten it to was 222, which is not good by any means. And my doctor wants it below 180, and I was hoping to get it below that before next week because she wants to put me on insulin. I really don't want to go on insulin. I really wanted to stay on keto and hope that that worked, but it's not. And I've been reading up on it, and even though I'm not eating but maybe 5 or 10 carbs a day, keto doesn't always work with that. So carbs is not what it was, and I guess my blood sugar had gotten so high that I can't get it down with keto. So I'm going to the meeting with the dietitian Wednesday the 30th. Thursday the 30th. Yeah, Thursday the 30th. I'm going to the dietitian, and I've already gotten my insulin. I'm going today to get the needles or whatever for it. And I'm just really hoping that I can do something where I don't have to be on insulin. But she said she'd start me out at a low dose at first, and I'll just take it at night. And so I'm going to see how that works. I got my, when I was on keto last year, I got my A1C down to 7.0, and I lost 50 pounds. Well, as you can see, I've gained back 30 of those pounds because I went off of keto at Christmas and then just couldn't get back on it. I just didn't want to, and now I've got to. So I wanted to tell y'all that I'm going to be doing a lot of keto recipes and other things too, reviews of things. Hopefully it's going to be getting cooler. I can get out. This summer's, the heat here in Virginia has just killed me. It has just been really, really hard. So I hope that y'all will stay along with me. Pray for me that somehow keto will work for me. And all right, I'm going to put you back on the tripod, and we're going to ride through the field some more. Okay, here we go. we're going to go out this gate, and there's not an auction down there today, is it?
Yes, there is.
Oh, there's an auction down there.
Yeah, that's what's going on right now.
We're going to ride over to the pond. I'm going to show you the pond. And then we're going to go back home because I've got to go to Walmart, get my grandson some stuff, and then go to his party. See, I don't know if you can see it. I think you can. There's a trail ride going on right now. Is called Spring Valley Farm. They have cabins, and I think there's 2 fully stocked ponds. This one in front of us, it's fully stocked. People come down here and fish all the time. In the summertime, which is summer now, but in the summer, people bring their horses and put their horses, I don't know if they do in this pond, do they? In this pond and the other one too, and let the horses swim in the pond. This is really pretty down here. Alright, go back up now. Yes, yeah. Okay, we're back home. I hope you like this trip with me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.